ThermalStar's unique hybrid learning program for BPI certification. We have made it much easier and more affordable to get your BPI certification. Less travel, less time away from work, flexible scheduling. ThermalStar's hybrid training program is a 3-step process. Step 1. Online preparation course and BPI written test. You have unlimited access to our training curriculum based on BPI's national standards, Knowledge Essential Task List, and DOE's Weatherization program. The online course includes textbooks and personal mentoring from your instructor. We can also proctor your BPI written test if you have a webcam-enabled computer. Otherwise, we will help arrange to have the BPI written test done along with the field test. Step 2. Live field equipment training. If you already have experience with combustion testing and blower door operations, you can go directly to Step 3. Otherwise, we will help arrange a local or regional equipment training session prior to your proctored field test. Step 3. Live proctored BPI field testing. We will provide or help arrange a local or regional BPI certified proctor for your certification field test. Once registered, you will receive a link to our online course and see this login screen. Enter your registered email address and the password you received. You can also email your instructor by clicking on their email below. This is the home page for your course. Green bulletin area displays current messages to all students and also has instructors' email links. Your class appears below the bulletin area. Highlight the class name or the icon beside it to enter the classroom. This is the classroom home screen. Your current lesson is shown at the top of this screen with all other chapters and support materials listed below. The first section introduces you to the instructors you will be hearing and communicating with throughout the course. Click on the icon or chapter name to start. Once you have viewed a chapter or taken a test, it will be marked with a green check on the overview list and the next chapter is highlighted. Every chapter has a related reading assignment from the residential energy textbook and is followed by a brief test to reinforce the concepts. Here is a typical chapter. You can listen to the presentation while taking additional notes in your course manual or here on screen under the Notes heading. Use the chapter headings to jump ahead or go back to any topic. You can also pause, back up, or jump ahead 10 seconds, or use the slider bar to go to any point in the presentation. Click the Close button to return to the classroom home screen. The practice tests are very much like the BPI certification written test. You view multiple choice questions one at a time and click the desired answer. You can review any or all questions and will get an instant grade when you finish. Upon completion of any test, you can review and see the questions with the correct answers marked. There are also 2 different final review tests that, like the BPI certification test, are timed with 100 questions each. When you complete the ThermalStar course, you will be ready to pass the BPI certification exams. So what are the costs involved in the hybrid training program for BPI certification? Step 1 costs. The ThermalStar online preparation course is $599 for building analyst, $499 for the envelope professional, or $899 for the combo class with building analyst and envelope professional preparation. If you have a webcam-enabled computer, we can also do the written test online for $225 for any one test and $400 for 2 tests when done together. Step 2 costs. If you have experience with a blower door, combustion analyzer, gas sniffer, and related test equipment, you can skip this step. If you have not had any experience, you'll need live equipment training, and the prices will vary by location and your time required. Average is between $300 and $500 per day, and 1 to 2 days would be all that would be needed for field equipment practice. Step 3 is the live proctored one-on-one BPI field test. These costs will also vary by location and BPI affiliate involved, typically costing $450 per field test, with 2 being done together for about $750. So here's a breakdown table of the complete costs for BPI certification through the hybrid training program from ThermalStar. As you can see, a building analyst certification, if you have prior experience with the equipment, should be about $1,274 or $1,674 typically if you need equipment training. The envelope professional, $1,174 or $1,574 if equipment training is also needed. And the combo certification, which can be the best one to lead toward accreditation for a company because of that specialty certification, is $2,049 for both certifications with experience, or $2,449 if equipment training is also needed. With the hybrid course, we also have a built-in payment plan if you would like. You can pay for each piece individually as you go, or if need be, if you have a rebate situation, you can pay for the whole thing at once and we'll take care of the additional fees as they come up.